What up, internet? Darcy here for Tuesday of Vlogs Down Under. So this week's theme is talking about the best, the worst and the funniest things to happen to you in 2012. For me, the best thing to happen to me in 2012, probably my life, was meeting Taylor Swift. And that was just something that I've been waiting for a very long time. And I was very emotional, very hysterical, very hot. I waited for 10 hours in like 35-degree heat. Flew to Sydney to see her at the Arias and waited in line, and then she was there and she said hey, and then I cried, and then I did this really weird, awkward thing where she was taking photos of the girls next to me, and I like rested my head on her chest and I was like, oh my god, I'm touching her.
All they say is hold up and remember the time when we were in school.
And it was just really fabulous.
Then again, you know what, you know how to sing, but you don't know.
The worst thing that happened to me in 2012, meeting Taylor Swift, because now my life is over. Nothing. I don't have anything to live for. I was coming home and I almost got hit by a car, and I was kind of like, you know, okay, I'm done. I'm done now. The funniest things, I went on a trip to Thailand with some friends, and it was really good fun, but I managed to get myself into a few interesting situations while I was there. Once we were in Phuket. It's very smelly there, and I was walked over like one of the vents in the ground, like a sewerage vent, and I vomited. Which was really gross and embarrassing. And we went on a boat trip, and as I was getting out of the boat, I fell out of the boat into the water and I cut my foot on a rock, so everyone's laughing at me, and I'm hobbling around the beach all day and I can't do anything else because I'm just bleeding out of my foot. And then we went to Koh Samui. I got locked in the bathroom. I don't know how I did that, but for some reason the door got stuck and I got locked in. I thought the door was fixed and I tried to close it again, and it was not, and I got locked in the bathroom again. So my trip to Thailand was kind of a big kerfuffle for me. Anyway, I am finished now. So yeah, best thing, meeting Taylor Swift. Worst thing, meeting Taylor Swift. Funniest things.